24 Topps Finest Buckets. Half of a Delight case. Pick your team, number 8. Quickly refractor. Oh, we got 2 refractors in this for some reason. Usually there's only one. Is one of these a Dame Lillard, a rare? Oh, okay, Dame Lillard. Nas Reed for the T-Wolves, blue to 150. Gold Wallace, 18 out of 25. Must be a gold rare. Gold uncommon for the Pistons. Ginobili, 96 out of 99. Blue for the Spurs, 6 spot. Hornet, 75 out of 75. Oh, Roy P. calling his shot. All right, let's see here. Hornets. Debut, Leonard Miller to 99. Blue, T-Wolves. Purple Curry to 125 for the Warriors. How about a red and black Viper, Nick Smith Jr., 3 out of 10. Hornets, AA Ron. Behind that, gold AO for the Bulls, 45 out of 50. Josh E with the Bulls. And a red refractor going out to the Cavs. Serial for the Cavs, 4 out of 10 for that 4 spot. Roy P. Cavs, yep. Miles Turner, refractor. Okay, maybe this whole thing is going to be 2 refractors here. Deontay John. I don't think the first half was like that. Thunder, refractor. CJ McCollum for the Pelicans, number to 99, purple. Die cut to 25, Jordan Hawkins. Die cut rare to 25 for the Pelicans, Josh G. D. Wade for the Heat, 59 out of 75 on the purple. Oh, Heat is serial, right? Sorry about that. What did I say? 59 out of 75 for the 9 spot. Simons to 125, Portland. KD for the Suns, showstoppers, purple to 125. Curry, purple finishers to 150, or blue finishers to 150. Red and black Viper, Cam Whitmore, 3 out of 10. Red and black Viper, rookie autograph for the Rockets, Houston, Lee. Blue, Tim Hardaway Jr. in the Dallas Mavericks to 99. And another red. This time it's a 3 out of 3 Bridges for the Nets on a rare red refractor. 3 out of 3. 3 divided by 3. That's 1 jersey number. Bridges, Nets, David. That's box 2. That's first 2 boxes out of this half case. Looks awfully like the first half of this case. We're getting a lot of red and black Vipers. Just nothing too crazy. A lot of decent low-numbered stuff, but nothing over the top. A lot of red and black Vipers. Like, definitely more this case than any other one. It's hard to exactly complain about that. Oh, sometimes I feeling, yeah. saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, oh. Yeah. Clowney for the Nets. Rookie refractor. Got a gold Giannis 27 out of 50 for the Bucks. And the serial 27 to 7 spot. Lee G. Gold Giannis. Kobe Brown for the Clippers. Yeah, Clippers blue to 75. Clippers in the serial 15 out of 75. 15 out of 75. Brandon Clark Grizzlies. Grizzlies also in the serial 3 out of 99. 3 spot. LeBron James purple to 75 for the Lake Show and Roy P. Hawkins to 25 on a black refractor for the Pelicans. Wemby, 57 out of 99. Blue Arrivals, 57 to 7 spot. Lee. Wiggins for the Warriors to 99 on a blue refractor auto. Red auto, 2 out of 5. Yuck. Dylan Brooks. Boo. Lee G with the Rockets, 2 out of 5. Dylan Brooks. Jed Howard for the Magic, 7 out of 10. I told you those red and black Vipers pouring out of this. The Magic going to the serial, 7 out of 10. 7 spot. Lee. Strikes again. Grant Hill refractor. Hey, Bulls. Josh G. Josh with the Bulls and the Pelicans. Get some hits here. Nothing too crazy. But I guess with the Pelicans, you got 2 out of 25 Perkins. Allen's out of 74. Sixers to 125 purple. Grizzlies. Smart 137 out of 150. 7 spot on the blue. Simons purple to 99. Houston to 150 on the Arrivals rookie blue. AI Sixers, Allen Iverson, Christie, case hit. Gold Masters rookie autograph for Julian Strother and the Nuggets, 13 out of 50. Blue auto, Hood Schifino Lakers to 99. And a gold to 50, Cam Johnson for the Nets, 1 out of 50. One more box to go. Like I said, this half case is looking very similar to that other half of this case. We got one box to do something here. Hustling. Pat Williams for the Bulls, refractor. Norman Powell for the Clips to 150 blue. Yeah, Clippers 121 out of 150 for the one spot blue. Dominic Wilkins 17 out of 99 for the Hawks purple. More for the Bulls. Josh G 1 out of 10 on a red and black Viper. I'm telling you, we got a red and black Viper auto coming. Black auto. We've had more blacks and red and black Vipers in this case than any other one. It's been very interesting in comparison to some of these other cases we've been doing. I mean, we've been getting like good stuff, no doubt about it, but there's been like one major hit, some other stuff sprinkled in. This one's just been a lot of low numbered stuff throughout, just not that big one. Let's see here. We got two options, two chances right there. Keontae Johnson to 75 blue Thunder. Wemby 34 out of 125 the 4 spot. Roy P debut purple. Curry to 150 blue on the Showstoppers. Black and red Viper, Brandon Miller. There we go. 5 out of 10. Hornets, baby. AA Ron. All right. Love that. Brandon Miller out of 10. We get too many opportunities to pull Brandon Miller autos. We'll take that for sure. Black refractor auto here. Number to 25. Fudge. Lakers. Okay. And a black KCP for the Nuggets. 10 out of 25. What's up, Taylor? $23.24 Topps Finest Buckets. 5 box, half a breaker to light case. Number 8, number 9 starts as a new case. We also have Hobby out there for Finest Basketball. Make sure to take a look at Bohm Chrome U Sapphire Football. I cannot confirm nor deny that. Yeah, make sure to hit that like button on the YouTube live stream, guys, and make sure, if you wouldn't mind, my friends. I said it yesterday. I'm going to say it probably a couple days this week, and then I won't annoy you with it. But make sure to go to our profile, Wolf's Card Breaks on YouTube. Go to our profile, click on the Shorts tab. I made a little short video of my son's wrestling, little highlight kind of pump up video. Nothing too crazy, but a little something with my son's wrestling. If you could go take a look at that, hit the like button on his little short video. Maybe drop him a comment. Make him feel good. Just a little wrestling thing of my son. So if you hit up our profile on YouTube, click on Shorts. It'll be the first one there. Paxton Wolf, 6U 50-pounder. Wrestling. That, my friends, is going to do it right there. Thank you.